It's included workers from Mid-American Energy here in Iowa. Those workers returned late last week. WHO 13 Stephanie Johnson shares their story.
Definitely a lot of damage. You saw rising water, you saw broken poles.
After spending weeks in Louisiana, this Mid-American manager is still shocked by the amount of damage left behind by Hurricane Ida.
Let's say in the derecho we had over 2,000 linemen, I think, helping Mid-American Energy, and at the front end of the hurricane down in Louisiana, they had like 26,000 linemen they're taking care of. The level of outages was about 3 times that of the derecho, even more so.
You can feel their pain and you're now living in it. I mean, we were down there for 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks, employees worked 12-hour days under the sun to restore power. And for the majority of the trip, they slept on this cargo ship.
In one cargo container, it had air conditioning and showers and everything you need, but we slept 12 guys to that cargo container. They would make you food, but it was a cool experience because I would never think going down. I would think even a hotel that had power we would stay in or something like a man camp with like cots and everything, but nope, we get told you're gonna go stay on a boat.
Despite the long days, Van Vark says 2 weeks was not enough time to restore power, and he would volunteer to go back to Louisiana if he was given the opportunity to do so.
Us being down there for 2 weeks, we put a small dent into what was really the extent of the damage, and we knew we still had to go home with more damage than ever.
In Des Moines, Stephanie Johnson, WHO 13 News.
In total, Mid-American Energy sent 120 employees and contracted individuals to Louisiana, along with 72 vehicles. Mid-American also says 29,000 people there are still without power, and they won't be able to restore power until late this month.